Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl, AI the Great, and today I'm coming at you with another great video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. My content is fragrances, fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. Now let's get started. Hey guys, so in today's video, we are going to be talking about some of the best fruity fragrances for spring and summer. Fruity fragrances, guys, are happy, they're upbeat, they're effervescent, they put you in a good mood, and they smell amazing. But the downside is they don't have the best performance. They don't last all day on your skin. They're not going to give you beast mode projection and performance. They're moderate. But I have body creams and body yogurts that I use to layer when I use certain fragrances, and I want to share them with you today. But guys, before we get into the video, please make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my content. Thumbs up the video if you want to see more content like this. Now let's get on with the video. So guys, the body creams and the body yogurts that I absolutely love to use in the spring and summer are from the Body Shop. So here we have the Wonderful Monkey Banana, and then here we have a body yogurt. So this is a body butter. Let me show you the butter. So here's the consistency of the body butter. As you can see, it's super rich, super thick, and super creamy. Now let me show you the yogurt. So here's the packaging of the yogurt, and here's the consistency. See, it's like a legit yogurt. So here we have the grapefruit scent, which is one of my favorites. This is the body butter and the body yogurt. Guys, I like to layer these together. And on super hot days, I only use the yogurt because the yogurt is very hydrating and it kind of absorbs into the skin, and it doesn't leave you feeling greasy or oily or anything like that. You're just not ashy. There's no sheen to your skin, and they do the job without leaving you feeling greasy. So the first fragrance on the list is Angel Nova. Guys, the notes are raspberry, lychee, damask rose, akigala wood, and benzoin. The main accord, it's a fruity, sweet, tropical, warm, spicy fragrance. So this is an EDT. The performance is moderate. It's okay. But what I layer this with is this warm vanilla body yogurt by the Body Shop. Now this is vanilla. This doesn't have vanilla. It has benzoin, but benzoin and vanilla smell very similar. So this will layer just beautifully in the spring and the summer. So keep that in mind, guys, when you're wearing fragrances like this and they don't last that long and you need something that's going to stick to it and also going to help it with the boost, because it's going to have a little bit of the fragrance inside the lotion as well, or the cream or yogurt, whatever you want to call it. So that's going to extend the life of your fragrances when it gets really hot in the spring and in the summer. So this one right here, Angel Nova, beautiful fruity tropical scent. So our next fragrance on the list is by Montal, and this is Dark Purple. And the name and the bottle says it all, because this right here is all about the juicy, succulent plum. Seriously, guys, if you love a plum note, then you need this in your life. And if you've ever smelled Love is in the Air by House of Sillage, that has a plum note, but that plum is very tart and it smells nothing like this. I just wanted to let you guys know that that's a very tart plum. This is a sweet plum, and it also has blood orange, rose, geranium bourbon, patchouli, teak wood, and white musk. Now for layering, I actually have the cream, the body cream from Montal, the Dark Purple body cream. So this layers beautifully with that. And just so you know, this is so long lasting. Like, this performance is A1, A+. The downside is I don't like the oil that comes out of Montal's fragrances, because I like to spray my clothes. But when I wear Montal fragrances, I don't spray my clothes because it's going to leave oil residue on your clothes. Same with Rose's Musk. Actually, there's a couple of Bond fragrances that do that as well. So you have to be careful about fragrances that you spray on your clothes. Spray it on your skin first. And if you see like that oily residue, then don't spray it on your clothes, because it'll stain and it won't come out. Now, speaking of Rose's Musk, this is actually very similar to Rose's Musk, and it's also similar to Perfumista Avenue by Bond No. 9. So I have all three because I can smell the slight differences between the three, but you definitely don't need all three of them. But this is a beautiful, succulent, fruity fragrance that does not go anywhere. Now, this one doesn't struggle in performance at all. Montal's Dark Purple. Guys, I had to add my little Mon Paris on the list. I know a lot of people don't really feel this fragrance, but I love it. It smells really good on me, and it's an affordable designer fragrance that you can just spray on. It's low maintenance. If you're just running to run errands, but you still want to smell really sweet and fruity in the spring, summer, this is the fragrance that you need. So the notes are strawberry, there's raspberry, there's pear, there's orange, tangerine, bergamot, peony, there's jasmine, there's orange blossom, patchouli, cedar. Guys, there's so many notes in this fragrance, but this is a beautiful fragrance. Not super long lasting, but I mean, it is what it is. And this has a lotion to it, and I also own that lotion, so I don't need to mix this with any other cream from the Body Shop because it has its own lotion. It's a simple fragrance, you know, it's not anything groundbreaking, but I don't need every fragrance in my collection to be groundbreaking, because once you put your look together and you're all done up, you're already groundbreaking. So your fragrance doesn't have to do all the work. Sometimes your fragrance could just play the background and still make you smell good, but it doesn't have to take over you, you know? So that is what this fragrance is for me. It's an easy reach, it's a dumb reach. Bae loves it, it's sexy, it's fruity, men love it, you know? So YSL Mon Paris, you can't go wrong. Amazing fruity fragrance. Now we have Lancome's Idole, and just like I told you with the dark purple by Montal that it was the plum note, so with this fragrance, this is the pear note. Guys, this opens up with another juicy, succulent, fresh, bright fruit, which is the pear, and mixed with the rose and the vanilla. This is a beautiful fragrance from Lancome, guys. So there's bergamot, juicy pear, pink peppercorn, there's rose, jasmine, white musk, vanilla, patchouli, and cedarwood. Guys, this fragrance is creamy, it's juicy, it's sexy. This is definitely a sexy fragrance. Anything that you can wear dressed up and your man is gonna like, or your girl, whomever, your woman, your man, whatever, is gonna love, is sexy. Because for me, I can definitely dress this up to be a sexy fragrance in the spring and summer. The pear note, guys, let me tell you, the opening of this fragrance is so beautiful. It dries down to more of a rose and vanilla, but the pear is there for the majority of the time. I mean, you're only getting about 5 hours tops with this fragrance, but the pear is going to last for about 3.5 of those hours. So it's a beautiful fragrance. With this one, I layer with the vanilla. The Body Shop hasn't come out with the pear lotion yet, but guys, as soon as they do, I feel it. There's so many fragrances with the note of pear in it. Body Shop, if you're out there and you're listening to me, please come out with a pear body lotion or body yogurt so I can get my whole entire life. Thank you. Now we have Pineapple by Dolce & Gabbana. Guys, this fragrance was launched in 2020. There's actually 3 of them. There's pineapple, there's an orange one, and there's a lemon one. I want to get the lemon one because the lemon one has a ginger note as well, and it's so beautiful, but I digress. So guys, this fragrance is an EDT. It's only available at the Dolce & Gabbana stores. It's a tropical, sweet, happy scent. This smells like a drink. It smells straight up like a pina colada. Guys, I done told you about this fragrance before. If you haven't gotten your nose on it yet, what are you doing? Guys, you need this fragrance in your life. It smells so good. Let me tell you the notes. There's pineapple, there's Sicilian mandarin, there's jasmine, there's vanilla absolute, there's ambergris, orchid, and tobacco. So the tobacco, for me, I don't smell the tobacco too much. I don't know, maybe it's just my nose, but it's a beautiful scent. It's nothing, another one that's not groundbreaking, but it just smells really good and it makes me happy. It's less than $200, but it's more like $195. So, I mean, it's basically $200. But, I mean, if I can just spray this on and feel happy because it smells so good and it just puts me in a happy, upbeat, uplifting mood, then for me, it's worth it. It doesn't last all day. To be fair, I haven't worn it in the spring or the summer because I did purchase this winter and I was wearing it in the house because it's just a happy, sweet fragrance. I was wearing it to bed sometimes. It's just beautiful. So I'm gonna layer this again with this warm vanilla body yogurt. Guys, I feel like if you have fragrances with vanilla notes, which most fragrances have vanilla notes for the spring and the summer, this is a great option to have to layer your fragrances with and to also keep you cool and hydrated in the summer. So these two are definitely gonna go together this spring, summer. Dolce & Gabbana, Pineapple. Now we have Kirke by Tiziano Tarenzi. Guys, this is a fragrance that is super intense. It's super fruity. It's really long lasting. This is one of those fruity fragrances that will actually perform and last all day and all night on your skin because it's an extrait. and it's a Tiziano Tarenzi. They don't struggle in performance. I don't know what they do with their fragrances, guys, but these fragrances have great performance. So like I said, it's fruity, it's tropical, and the notes are passion fruit. There's peach, there's pear, there's raspberry, there's cassis, there's sand, lily of the valley, musk, vanilla, sandalwood, patchouli, and heliotrope. You can layer this with a unscented cream and just be done with it, because this fragrance is very strong. It's, I don't want to say polarizing. It is kind of polarizing. It's really sweet. It's like sugary sweet. It can get kind of cloying. So on a super hot day, I actually would not wear this, and it's listed as tropical, but I don't know if I would take this. Actually, I do know I would not take this on a tropical vacation because it's so hot, and this fragrance is so sweet, but it's sweet from the fruits, that this would just feel like it's gonna suffocate me. So in the spring months, this would be a great fragrance when it's kind of cool, you know, to balance it out. It is an extrait, like I said. It's Tiziano Tarenzi. Guys, use the lightest lotion that you can possibly find with this fragrance, because this doesn't need any layering help, nothing like that. This is one that you don't have to overspray. A few sprays would just do you right, guys, especially in the cooler months. Beautiful tropical fragrance, Kirke by Tiziano Tarenzi. Now we have Rouge Trafalgar by the house of Maison Christian Dior. Guys, this is raspberry, there's strawberries, there's cherries, there's patchouli, there's cedarwood. It's a beautiful fragrance. It's fruity, but it's actually a little tart as well. So what I'm going to layer this with is the strawberry body yogurt from the Body Shop to add a little bit of sweetness to it. But if I wanted to take the sweetness down a bit, I would use the grapefruit one, because there's also grapefruit in this fragrance as well. So either one, and you're good to go. A little bit more tartness if that's what you like, or a little bit more sweetness if that's what you like. So Rouge Trafalgar, amazing fruity fragrance for the summer by Maison Christian Dior. Now we have one of my favorite fragrances from the house of Maison Christian Dior, Balade Sauvage. Guys, this fragrance is very similar to me to Wood Sage and Sea Salt, but it's sweeter because it has an amazing fig note. Let me tell you guys, it's a sweet fig. So this fragrance has ozonic notes, there's petitgrain, there's bergamot, there's fig tree, then there's fig, there's solar notes, seed notes, orange blossom. Guys, there's a bunch of notes in this fragrance. Now with this fragrance, I don't have to layer with any of the Body Shop creams, because this has a cream that it comes with from Dior. So I do have that body cream. Guys, this fragrance is so good. A beautiful fruity fragrance by Dior, Balade Sauvage. Now we have this rose oud powdery fragrance by Parfums de Marly. It's Delina Exclusif. So guys, there's lychee, there's pear, there's bergamot, Turkish rose, oud, incense, vanilla, amber, and woody notes. It's Delina without the sour rhubarb note. It's warm, it's creamy. You can wear this in the spring, summer. You can wear this in the fall, winter as well. It's a beautiful fragrance. Now this has oud in it, but guys, let me tell you, this oud is not a strong oud. I mean, like seriously, I can't even really detect the oud. If you're not into oud, guys, you can still get this fragrance. No sour note. Some days I like this better than Delina. Some days I like Delina. So for me, having both in my collection is a must. So Delina Exclusif, beautiful fruity fragrance for the spring and summer. Last but not least, we have Versace Dillon Blue. Guys, I had this on my list earlier this year on my most complimented fragrances, and this still stands. I purchased this fragrance just as an easy reach, just to throw on to run errands. It's like a Saturday, like a weekend fragrance, you know, just running around, running errands, shopping, whatever. When I tell you I was getting so many compliments on this fragrance, I had to move this up. So now this is like a day date fragrance for me. This is a brunch fragrance for me. It's still a daytime fragrance, but it's a fruity fragrance that garners so much attention. People love it. The scent trail is beautiful. When the breeze blows with this one, guys, it's so amazing. So there's Granny Smith apple, there's black currant, there's clover, there's peach, there's rose, jasmine, musk, white woods, styrax, and patchouli. This one right here is the one to have, guys. Like I said, garners many compliments. It's a beautiful fragrance, Versace Dillon Blue. Alright guys, we've made it to the end of the video. Leave me some comments and let me know what are some of your fruity fragrances for the spring summer, and we can talk about it like we always do. Remember to stay safe, be great, stay great, and always strive for greatness. AI the Great signing out, but I'll see you in my next video. Peace.